Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anok. Today's video is going to be about whitening kit because I was asking you guys what do you need in my video, do it for you guys. Today I'm going to do a whitening kit. Before we're going to start, I would like warn you guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell for notification so you will be notified when I upload my new video. So yeah, and then let's get into that video and let's start. This is how the kit look, whitening kit look like. It look like that one. So yeah, but after that I have to read instruction for you guys. This is how it look like inside. It came without, like here. This one is the one you can put those one inside here, and this tube, and then you have to apply in your teeth, and this one you have to put it on top on this small for the lid, so you can apply it. And before we're going to start, I'm going to show you instruction and how my teeth is wide or is not, which one should be, which number should I am on in. So let's get started. Uh, they said that I will explain the whitening teeth. They said whitening teeth gel. Teeth whitening gel is a kind of tooth whitening method which remove impurities in teeth through the addition of the gel. Some of these ingredients it can remove gnosis stain caused by colored substances such as a tobacco, cola, tea, coffee, soy sauce, and so on. It will not cause teeth sensitively and safety and effective. So, and also they didn't recommend this gel is if you are pregnant you cannot use this gel. So yeah, they say, and don't use it for under 12 years old. You don't use it to for them. And you have, when you are using a buffet to your eyes, you cannot touch your eyes when you are using it. And also they say remindation gel, also known as desensitizing gel, remindization gel, reduce sensitivity of teeth, as it is great for people who have sensitive teeth. If you have sensitive teeth, this one is good for you. And also especially for first bleach, normally used after the bleaching. Teeth also can be used to make up mineral loose while the bleaching section is the way that they are showing you the instruction here. They are showing instruction here for you, how, which one you should use first and which one you should use at the second and which one is next. And then we are moving to, they say safe for sensitive teeth, and then they are archive, pain free, smile, powerful and effective. Okay, and then here how they gonna use it, they show you how you gonna use it. They say first one, open the back of the lid and take out the clear plastic that's between the two battery. Okay, here it is now, here as you can see. And then I have to remove, open it here, and then I have remove the battery here. I will replace it again, and then I have to close it. Okay, here we go. Now it's done. And then I have to open the another blue one. this one, and then I have to take this one out and replace it here on the top of this one. Put it on the top, and then I have to take one of the tube. Let me read it. They said second, this one is already done, and then they say make sure the mouth tray are clear and dry before the moisturize can reduce the effects. Attach the mouth tray to the front of the lightning. I did now. I attached already. This is the second one. I attached already. And then the number 3, they say remove cup on the top. I removed the cup already here. There is nothing. Move the cup here. The cup already. And then number 4, wear the tray and enjoy the whitening between 15 to 30 minutes for the best result. The light beep and shut off in 10 interval for remaining. The using time is determined by your teeth sensitive. So I will open this one on top here like this one, and then I have to remove this one. I have to apply here. And then I have to apply in the bottom. Here, as you can see. And then to put in my teeth, before that I have to check my teeth, which number it was, like here, between 3 and 4. Yeah, between 3 and 4 now. A picture of my teeth, and then I have to take a picture of my teeth. As a result, we can see the difference later on, what is the difference from before and now. And then replace it, and then the last one they said number is still in number 4, and then I have for number 4 I have wear the tray and enjoy the whitening. I will Okay guys, I'm already done. As you can see, it's not like before. It looked very white, bright. It was not like before. So you can see this one, and I have to see which one as this one. It come like number 1 and 2. It's not like before. So I hope everyone can try this whitening kit because it can help whitening your teeth also. And before that, they recommend you for the session gel direction. They said after you done everything and you brush your teeth, make sure to first you have to brush your teeth. After you done brush your teeth, they recommend for you to clean this one, the dental hygiene tray. This one you have to clean it, to wash it very gently, to be very clean. And also after that you can put the dental tray over your teeth and press gently. They say I have to put it here. I wash it already, so I have to put it again like this one. Have to replace it again like this one. And then they say press gently on that gel. So I did already, yeah, the number 4. And then they said upon completion to put it in my gel in my teeth here. Guess what? Quick look. It doesn't look like before. After I replace this one again 2 times at the final look. I will read show you they said after the final, remove the mouth tray and rinse your mouth with the water. Avoid drinking, eating and drinking stained food for 1 hour after whitening. So you are not gonna eat until after 1 hour. So and then they said about the brushes. So you have to wash this one, the small thing one. You have to wash it with the hot water, and wash this one also. Brush it with hot water. After you're done, you have to replace it in the thing here. This one I have to Now have to open the battery first, and the one it came already, so the battery cannot die faster, so you have to put this one between the two battery here, replace it like the one it came before, and then I have to put this one on top and then close it like this one, and then close it and put it back in the bag like this one. So you have to restore it very carefully like this one, and then you have to put it back in the plate, and then you have to do the same thing, and this one also need to go in the bag, put it back in the bag here, so the next time you will be using it again. I don't know where I put the second. Oh yeah, it's in there, so they have to be there. Replace it here. After that I have to put this one, have to put it here inside the bag here like this one, and close it and put it there like this one. Restore them again like the one is came before, and then after that they say restore upon the completion of your remediation season. Clean the dental trays with the warm water and toothbrush and store in a safe place. Put it in the safe place, please, because you're going to use it next time. You must store it in a good place. So, and this is set for my today. I'm so happy for my brightening teeth. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to apply the second. As you can see in the camera, it's not like before.